Here's a great year Trans Am, 1973 Pontiac Trans Am. Best of all about this car, 455 underneath the hood. Was originally a 455 car also, which you can tell by the Y derivative in the VIN. I believe it's the fourth digit. True 455 car. That is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, as far as that engine, it is not the original numbers correct engine, but it is era correct 455 YC suffix code engine. So that is the correct era, just not numbers matching. Also power steering, power brakes underneath there. A little more decoding on the data tag will tell you this was originally a Buccaneer red car, otherwise sometimes known as a Mayan red. That'd be 40. So that is correct to this color car now also, as well as a black interior. So you got buckets, 4-speed in there, power steering, power brakes, 455 big boy. And there is some PHS docs on this, some early ones. So there is kind of a copy of the invoice and what this was equipped with. Now, you can check out the still picture. So you take your time, look through this. It's a nice car. Check out the underside, interior, engine at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Car was actually painted in 2010, according to the receipts, and it has not had many miles put on it since then. Ton of receipts that go along with this car that actually go back to 83. I believe it was early 80s. When you're looking through those, you can pretty much tell the car spent the majority of its life in Nebraska and North Dakota, FYI. You can see up and down at the paint, and this is in very nice shape. And see, it's the upper echelon of a driver quality paint. Very nice, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You're looking for a 455 73 Trans Am. This is definitely a nice one. There are also some extra things that come with it. I'll show you back there. Some of the options that this would have had, of course, here's your correct interior black console. This one did come with a console. Would have had an AM 8-track. That's what it came with factory. You can still see there's 8-track in there. The AM radio has been taken out and is included with it. There's an original AM radio. This was a white wall, factory ordered car. One of the other things, kind of cool, rear defrost. Take a look at that. There would have been your rear defrost. It does have tilt column, I should say. Tilt steering wheel, tilt column. As I mentioned, that console, solar ray glass. You'll notice when we get to the inside too, the front seat belts are not installed. They're actually in that box right there. The envelope, manila one there, that's full of the receipts. There's the radio, extra valve cover, some trim pieces, and trim piece to the hinge of the seat. So that will be in the trunk. That will go with it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you email us or call us. The paint codes are also in the pictures of the receipts and some of the others, not the receipts, but the PHS docs. Has the paint codes for the car and the paint codes for the wheels themselves. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Start it up. I want you to hear it. Great sounding car. So door panels. Here's where I believe that trim piece would be from right there. So just a little bit of TLC to really take this car to next level. Seat belts, that trim piece, and AM radio. Headliner, rear seat, everything looks good there. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Tack works. I noticed that the clock did not. Wipers also were not hooked up. That was the one other thing. Trying to think with the TLC that you could do to it. Go said to take it to the next level, so listen to that 455, nice little rumble to it. This one will definitely turn some heads when you're rolling into your local car show or cruise-ins. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood and give you an idea what it looks like and sounds like underneath the hood. So hang on a second. All right, there you go. You always got to love it when you got a hole in the hood for that shaker. Look at how smooth that 455 runs. And again, 455 car, that is true, is an error correct blockage, just not numbers matching. Power steering, power brakes, very, very tight engine bay here. Good running car. So there you go, looking for a nice 1973 Pontiac Trans Am, true 455 car, the 4-speed. Ordered from the factory the way you see it. Buccaneer red, white wall tires. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.